Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these web scraping tools called Apify. Let's quickly dive into it. Apify stand out in 2025 as one of the most powerful web scraping platforms, offering scalable cloud infrastructure, proxy rotation, and endless browse support to handle even the toughest sites. With its library of ready-made actors and the ability to build custom ones, it works well for both developers and business that need clean, structured data at scale. Data export is seamless, supporting formats like CSV, and integration also make it easy to plug into larger workflow. That said, on the downside, the main cost and complexity is the price can be climbed quickly for large projects, and some community actors break when website update, which also require manual fix. Non-technical user may also face a learning curve when setting up advanced scraper. Still, for anyone needing a reliable large-scale scrapping and automation, Apify is one of the most web scraping tools in 2025. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.